Hello, Symposiast. I'm Dr. Angela Puca, and on this beautiful May full moon, I am so delighted and excited to share some thrilling news with you. After months of careful planning and preparation, I am delighted, excited, overjoyed to announce the launch of my very first online course, which is going to be on the left-hand path. Imagine this, a 3 lunar cycle learning journey guiding you from the new moon to new moon. This course is more than just a series of lectures. It's an immersive experience crafted to give you university level knowledge on the left-hand path traditions so that you can acquire the tools to change your life, whether you're a scholar or a practitioner. Let's face it, finding reliable information online can feel like navigating a labyrinth in our modern world. You might be wondering, how do I know which esoteric path to follow? How can I determine which sources are reliable? How can I find and compare competing resources? Or how can I learn about the history and cosmology of various traditions? How can I make informed decisions based on my needs and determine my path? Or even, how can I learn about other traditions besides the current one that I follow? Well, these are very common questions and challenges for seekers of esoteric knowledge. And with so many voices and opinions, how can you be sure you're on the right track? Well, this is where my course comes in. My course is designed to address these challenges head on. So here's how it can transform your learning journey. First, expert guidance. As an academic with a PhD in religious studies, specializing in contemporary esotericism, I will guide you through this journey with scholarly expertise. Second, firm foundation. This course provides a robust foundation for your learning path, helping you to navigate the complex world of esoteric traditions. Then evaluating sources. You know how much I care about sources. I'm all about reliable sources and also addressing and understanding primary sources correctly. So you will learn how to find and determine the value of texts and other resources that are related to your path. Also credible content, because all content is based on peer-reviewed research or primary sources that are presented through an academic lens, ensuring that you receive accurate and reliable information. Also, personal exploration. This course does not tell you what to believe or how to practice your craft. I'm an academic, so instead, the course is meant to empower you to make informed decisions and explore your unique path. Now, let's talk details. This course is structured over 3 lunar cycles with live sessions on Saturdays and or Sundays at 6 p.m. UK time, which is 1 p.m. Eastern time, starting on Saturday, June the 8th, 2024. Each session lasts 1 hour, followed by a 30 minutes discussion during which we can dive deeper into the material and share insights. And if life gets in the way, don't worry, because recordings will be available so that you can catch up or rewatch at your convenience. Now, the first 10 people to sign up will get a 15 minutes exploratory call with me to ask me all of your questions about the course. So come on and sign up. So you can sign up until June the 5th and hurry up because the spots are limited. Also, let me give you a sneak peek into what we will explore together. You can find more information on and also how to sign up and also to actually sign up on my website, drangelapuca.com/courses. Now, we will start our journey by uncovering the left-hand path's core principles and historical roots. This week sets the stage for our transformative adventure, which will take us from the mystical practices of Amachara Tantra, both East and West, to the enigmatic life and teachings of Aleister Crowley and the foundational elements of Thelema. We will delve into Thelemic rituals, exploring their rich symbolism and practical applications. Also, we will cover in the second section, because it's divided in 4 main thematic sections, The second section is about the diverse traditions of Satanism and Satanism. So we will navigate the diverse currents of Satanism and Satanism. We will compare the philosophical nuances of Laveyan Satanism and theistic approaches, dive into the beliefs of Lucifarianism and its Gnostic connections, and explore the teachings of the Temple of Set, as well as the esoteric system of Dragon Rouge. It's going to be a section of deep exploration and discovery. Then we have artistic and esoteric currents. Art and magic intertwine. And as we venture into the artistic and esoteric currents of the left-hand path, we will explore the Typhonian tradition within Thelemic magic, contemporary adaptations of Neo-Tantra and sex magic, and the role of sacred kink and BDSM in transformative practices. Rosalind Norton and her captivating work will also show us how the left-hand path has influenced visual arts, and also the other way around, how art has informed the left-hand path. Then we have contemporary magical movements. Our final section will dive into modern magical movements such as Austin Osman Spare and his innovative practices that have influenced chaos magic, the chaotic yet powerful principles of chaos magic, and the darker aspects of Qliphotic magic. We will also delve into the cult of Cthulhu, examining how Lovecraftian lore has been integrated into contemporary magical practices. So as you can tell, this course is designed to provide you with comprehensive knowledge and inspire and hopefully empower you, fostering a profound understanding of the left-hand path's diverse and often misunderstood aspects. Whether deepening your existing practice or introducing you to these esoteric traditions, this journey is crafted to expand your spiritual and magical horizons. And there's more. By signing up to this course, you will gain unlimited, forever access to my private Inner Symposium community on Discord, where you can connect with like-minded individuals, my longtime patrons and new patrons, share insights, and continue the conversation long and after the course ends. And there will be also a private section for those who actually take the course. And also, if you have been a patron at a Magus tier for over 2 years, Archmage for over 1 year, and a top tier patron for over 3 months, you're eligible for a 50% discount on the course. So just message me on Patreon to check your eligibility and to get my code. So you will find really all the information, more than what I've just said, on the link below, which is also the link where you can sign up at drangelapuca.com/courses. The link is in the description, pinned comment, cards, bio, everywhere. So I really can't wait to embark on this journey with you. Spaces are limited, and this will likely be the one and only live delivery of this online course. So you definitely want to take advantage of it. Sign up now and join me in exploring the profound mysteries, theories, practices, and everything about the left-hand path. Together, we will learn everything about it, everything about left-hand path traditions, having, of course, lots of academic fun. See you there, and bye for now. Today we hold the ground, we'll never disappoint.